Personal finance basics. Any kind of planning, whether related to the upcoming football match or your kid's birthday party, is very important as it helps you manage and even lessen your workload. In finance as well, planning is very important as it helps you to know about your personal finance, how you are spending it, and how you are going to spend it in the future to sustain yourself for a lifetime. In today's video, we will be talking about what personal finance is and its basics, which will involve a few more important and interesting notes. But before we begin, do not forget to like, subscribe, and comment to our channel. What is personal finance? Planning your personal or your family's finance and all other monetary transactions is basically what personal finance is. When you manage your individual's or family's budget by saving, spending monetary resources, and contemplating the different risks of financing and the upcoming life, you are planning for personal finance. Before beginning to plan for personal financing, you should first know about your savings current salary, which involves the total amount in your debit, credit cards, and unpaid loans, as well as your future benefits or event that you may get considered. Even investments and insurances are also sections that you should keep your eyes and ears open on when planning personal finance. Areas of personal finance. While you plan out your personal finance, you must at the beginning know about the certain aspects that you need to consider while planning for such a kind of finances. If you don't know about such characteristics, don't worry, because we'll be explaining about these to you. Protection. For planning out your personal finance, always remember to think and know about all kinds of risks you may face in your career and lives in the future and present. Financial or health-related risks can enter your life without even knocking, so protections modes like life insurance and health insurance are a must. These provide security and protections to you and your family. Savings. The next aspect that you need to consider while planning your personal finance is your savings, which you keep aside from your regular income for any future uses. It is very important for any planned or unplanned situations in your life. Income. The mixtures of all your finances, whether you invest or plan for the future, is the main and most important aspect of personal finance. Spending and investing. Controlling the spending amount while you purchase anything you want to have is basically referring to this aspect. Investment might have a similar concept but is completely different as it helps you to earn a better income and life in the future. Importance of personal finance. Personal finance does not have some narrowed down concepts and advantages. It followed and planned carefully. It will help you manage your day-to-day monetary needs and help you increase your current income. It is an all-in-one present as well as future planning of investments. Therefore, it is very important that you start preparing and planning your finances. It will help you get a better grip on your long-term financial prospects like savings and retirement and anything coming shortly. The main importance of this kind of planning is that your wealth gets managed without any risk or losses. Proper personal finance can always predict your future income, which will in one way manage your present and future wealth. The management of personal finances includes a lot of segments, including your current income modes like credit cards, loans, debts, investments, insurances, and taxes, plus your future income modes like Social Security, retirement planning, estate planning, and many more. So that was all for today, guys. I hope you like our video. Do not forget to comment your opinions on our video, and we will see you in the next one.